Hi, my name is Ganjar. As I promised to you in my first video, I will tell you how to take the picture of the water drop. Actually, the process is not as complicated as I told you before in the first video, because actually what we need is only a bowl, a magic wand, my magic wand, and then the computer monitor. So what we will do, I will tell you step by step. So watch carefully, don't miss it. Okay, take your magic wand and say abracadabra. Boom! Move it the water to the monitor. Bang! That's it. See, it's very easy. It's not bad, like I said before. See, try this at home. Sorry, brother. Hi, I'm the real Ganjar. That was my brother. I'm very sorry about that. Okay, let's get rid of this, and then we will go to my studio to see how the real process of the water drop picture. Let's go. Hi, as I promised, I'll take you to my studio, but first, before we go in, I will show you how to prepare the water for the water drop shooting. First, what you need is an alcohol. This is about 70%, gum, teaspoon, glass, 1 liter of water, just common water, food dye, bowl, and then water strainer. First, we take 1 teaspoon of this gum, put in a glass, pour this alcohol, just sufficient to mix the gum. Put in the water. The function of the alcohol is to ease the mix of the water and the gum. And after that, take your water strainer, put in the bowl, and just simply pour it to absorb the dirt or any unwanted material from the first water mixed with the gum. Don't need to take all. This is just for sample. So here's, you have strained water mixed with the gum. All you have to do now is put the food dye, just a little bit to give the color to the water, and stir it. That's it. We have now ready to take a picture of the water drop with red water mixed with the gum. We can have another part of this water to have the blue or yellow or whatever color you want. Thank you. Hi, we are in my studio now, and we will start shooting the water drop. But first, I want to tell you about the logic behind the water drop, because that is the most important thing to understand for you, so you will not only have the water drop picture, but you will understand what is really happening at the time the water drop is colliding. So the equipment I use, as I told you before, is the SSP version number 3, which is this one. connected to the control box. This control box is connected to the 3 valves on my rig. The 3 valves connected to the water reservoir, which contains 3 different colors: red, yellow, and blue. So the valve is already set to drops exactly in the middle of the water. Before, I already have this focusing point, so you can test that the water drop is dropped exactly on the ball or the focusing point. And then we need to understand the process of this software controlling the valves. What I already have setting here is that first I set the valve B, or the middle one, the yellow color. I will drop 2 drops. So these 2 drops will start at 0 millisecond after the run, and then the valve will open for 40 milliseconds, and then 8 milliseconds after, the valve will open again for 28 milliseconds. So this valve B actually will form a pillar. So when you execute, then it will form the pillar. And then you continue with valve A, where the valve A is the red color. Start time is 118 milliseconds after the run. It will open the valve for 40 milliseconds. And then you also open the blue valve, which is the valve C, for 1 drops. Is start time 100 milliseconds after the run, and open valve for 60 milliseconds. The key point in this shooting is actually the flash delay. The flash delay I set for 450 milliseconds, where this 450 milliseconds is create the trigger, the flash, to flash the water, to freeze the water, with the setting of 1 per 30 second power with -3 compensation. The flash will freeze the water movement. So, and then that is the setting on the software, and also setting on the rig, also on the focusing. So let's start with the focusing now. So you will need to set your lens to autofocus first, and then set the camera to 1 second speed, f16 aperture, ISO 100, the white balance to the flash. You can set the picture style to standard. I choose L for the size of the file. The 1 second speed is actually to give the opportunity for the camera to capture the moment when I hit the run, because from the moment the run was hit, the flash will fire 450 milliseconds after. Means it's around half second. So in that point, then I will remove the focus point, and now we will ready to start the shooting. First we trigger the shutter, and then we hit the run. So we have a collision from the kind of like umbrella or mushroom shape. So if you are not satisfied with the form that you get, you can simply first you adjust the flash delay, because when you move the flash delay, you increase or decrease the flash delay. It means you will get the form of the time before or after the picture that you get just now. So you can choose whether you will take the picture before the collision, after just the time the collision happened, or after the collision. You can set how many milliseconds decrease or increase of the time. Then you will get different result. So you can see that there is thousands of possibilities that you can get, various forms of water drops. I take this angle, like horizontal angle. You can increase the height of your tripod, change the angle to 45 degrees, change your flash to 45 degrees, have additional flash below the surface, put flash gel, different colors. So you can create anything, any forms, any colors, any angles to have different water drops with the one your college photographers have. So that is from me. I hope my explanation about how I take the water drop pictures can be very good information for you. But if you have any questions, just send me query in my Facebook page, or you can send me an inbox. Thank you. Hi friends, so that is the explanation from me about the water drop. And now, brother, let me do this. Okay friends, that's all the explanation from my brother Ganjar. I'm Ganjar the second. So with his explanation in his studio, I hope he can brief you very good information about how to take the water sculpture with his very complicated equipment. Not with, mine is better, you can buy this in grocery store. Sorry brother. Okay, that's it. I hope this video is give you benefit. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And if you have any question, like my brother said, send any query to his Facebook. He will reply. I will just go to sleep. Thank you. Bye bye.